Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. For the people that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tasha and welcome. And in today's video we'll be making a big bun with some bangs. Firstly, going to start off by applying some growth oil to my hair. Thereafter I will brush my hair, tied up into a ponytail. Next, I will add the braiding hair to my hair, and then after that I will do a two-stranded twist. The inspiration for today's video comes from Crystal J's channel. I will leave a link to a video in my description box. Now that I'm done with the twist, I will make the bun. I will use some bobby pins to secure the bun as I'm wrapping it around. Now I'm going to add the bangs to the bun using the two bobby pins. I took 2 tracks of extensions and then I doubled it, and then I sewed it together and cut out some bangs. The pieces of hair that I won't be using, I'm just gonna tuck it underneath the bun. I cut the bangs a little bit shorter, and then I will use the Babyless diamond ceramic to style these bangs. I know this is completely off topic, but I just finished watching the Jeffrey Thomas series. That is so crazy. Like, I still can't believe that literally happened in real life. If you watched it, could you please let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one.